Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English online class. This video is of the chapter Gopal and the Hilsa Fish from class 7 English Honeycomb book. Have you ever read a comic book? What is a comic book? Actually, a comic book contains stories through pictures. That means the stories that has been depicted through pictures is a comic book. And this story, Gopal and the Hilsa Fish, has been presented with pictures. This is a funny story presented in the comic form. Before getting into the story, you must know what is a Hilsa fish and who is Gopal. Hilsa is a popular fish that is found in the rivers of India and it is mostly sold during monsoon season. Whereas Gopal is a very important person. He is a very important person in the court of Raja Krishna Deva Raya, and Gopal was a Bengali person. In this story, we'll come to know about Gopal's wisdom. That means Gopal's intelligence and how he used his wisdom to solve all the problems that comes before him. So here you will find in this story the king, the courtiers. Courtiers means the people present in the court. Gopal, who itself is a courtier, and Gopal's wife. So these are the characters you will find in this story. Now let us move on to the story Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. As there is a season of mangoes, that is in summer. Similarly, in this story, it was the season of Hilsa Fish. The season is probably of monsoon and everyone seems talking about Hilsa Fish. Fishermen catch no other fish but only they focus on Hilsa Fish. That is the fishmongers. Fishmongers means those person who deals with selling of fish. So the fishmongers, they sells only Hilsa Fish because customers want to buy it. Everyone was talking about Hilsa Fish even in the royal court. In the court of Raja Krishna Deva Raya, everyone was also talking about Hilsa Fish. That means in the royal court, the courtiers means I told you before that the people present in the court. So the courtiers also talks about Hilsa Fish. King was very much fed up with all these talks. He was tired of all this. Even he lost his temper. That means he got angry. He believed that no one could stop these people talking about Hilsa Fish. Not even Gopal, who is very intelligent, not even Gopal can do so. As we know that Gopal is a man of wisdom, he is a man of intelligence. He can solve any problem using his talent, using his intelligence. So when the king challenged Gopal to buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking about it, to this Gopal accepted the challenge. So it was a time of Hilsa Fish, season of Hilsa Fish. Everyone was talking about Hilsa Fish in the marketplace, at home, even in the king's courtyard. Everyone was talking. So hearing all this, the king was very much angry and he challenged Gopal to bring a Hilsa Fish to the court, and while on his way, nobody should talk about Hilsa Fish. And Gopal accepted the challenge. Then Gopal started his own preparations. So after few days, what Gopal did, Gopal half shaved himself, smeared ash on himself. Smeared means put ash on his body, and wore rags. Rags means torn or old clothes. So what Gopal did, he half shaved himself, smeared ash on himself, and even wore torn clothes. Looking at him, his wife was shocked as Gopal was getting himself ready. Looking at him, his wife was shocked, and he asked Gopal not to go outside like this. But Gopal kept on telling her that he was going to buy a huge hilsa fish. And on the other hand, Gopal's wife used to think that Gopal had already gone mad. Then Gopal went outside, he went to the market. At the market, Gopal bought a huge hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. And on his way to the palace, no one noticed the fish. Rather, everyone was looking at Gopal's appearance. Even people used to call him mystic. Mystic means a spiritual person or a religious person. People used to call him mystic. Some others used to call him mad. Why people used to call him mad? Looking at his appearance, looking at his strange appearance, people used to think that that person is mad, that person is crazy. Finally, Gopal reached the palace. And when he reached the palace, he was stopped by the guards. So when he was not allowed to enter to the palace, what he did, he started dancing and singing there. So hearing all this, the king ordered his guards to produce the man before him. So Gopal was produced before the king. Everyone was surprised looking at Gopal because Gopal has dressed himself like a madman, like a strange person. No one could recognize Gopal. So the king questioned Gopal about his strange appearance, why he has taken this type of look. To this, Gopal reminded the king about the challenge, and he told him that from the market to the royal palace, no one had asked him about a hilsa fish. No one had said a single word about hilsa fish. So hearing this, the king laughed, and the king congratulates Gopal because this time also he had achieved the impossible task and made it possible. So this is all about the story Gopal and the hilsa fish. So what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is nothing is impossible in the world. Smart people will always make smart decisions, and that's the most important factor in how things turned out good for you. Smart people can achieve anything in the world with his or her intelligence. So this is all about the chapter. Thank you.